Hello my fellow origami lovers. Today Parrot is going to be the star of our show. Now, this parrot is from an origami sheet of paper. We're going to use some scissors in the part. So, fold it half and half. Fold it in half. And fold it in half. Now you might have heard a word called white side up or color side up. So this is called white side up. It's white side up. This is called color side up. So we're going to do white side up like this and color side up like this. Press down and then fold it like this. Fold it diagonally. And fold this down. And we get this diamond shape. Do the other same. Once again, fold this triangle down. Fold these into the middle. Fold it up. To make the parrot's legs, we need to use a little bit of some scissors. We're going to fold it up. And we're going to cut this part right here. This part right here. Now, we can just fold it like this. And then you can cut it like this. But for me, we'll just use a little magic. I will throw the scissors down and then just see. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now this paper is cut in half. Well, actually not completely. You can see this hole right here. These are going to be the legs of a parrot. So let's fold it back down. Fold this in half. Fold the wings. Sorry, it's just. Now we're going to fold like this. Do the same at the other side. This part is a beginner level. It's easy. Now let's make the legs. We're going to get one leg and then fold it like this. I hope you can see it clearly. Maybe you'll see it even clearer at this angle. Here's another leg. Fold it down like this. If you miss, you can just replay the video. Now we got these two legs right here. Fold this flap down so you can see there's a flap right here. We'll fold it down like this. After that, we can fold the tail. We will do the same thing on this side. Here's another flap, and we're going to fold this down. Do the same thing at the other side. Get this flap, fold it down. Mama, jangan berisik. Jangan berisik. Papa, bilang mama jangan berisik. We're going to fold this inward. Fold this down. Fold the tail back. And then fold the tail a little bit tightly. Like this. Check if it stands. It does stand. Now we're going to do the head. Fold this down. Fold the big curl. Fold the eyes. Can you see it? Now there we go, our origami parrot. Here. Hope you enjoyed this video and bye bye.